can play this on Minecraft! Yay! Just finally 10 to 10. Yay! Step 1, bring a friend. Where? Hello guys, I'm playing Minecraft again. Look, my friend's in the pool. He's dying. So ha. How's he walk out of the pool? Oh no, he's gonna die now. Save him. Yes, it'll be soft. No. Step 2. Have an annoying laugh. Ha. Weird tweet. Ha. Boo. Hee. I like tweets. Make good quality videos. Yay! Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah. That's me, man. Yeah, man. Guys, we're building a house today. So think about the way you are. Yay! Therefore, build a good house. Look, this is not very much, but I'll try again one day. Wee-hee. Boo-boo, ba-ba-ba, bee-bee. Look, it's a better than not. So look, it's got mud. And a friend in it. It's good. Ha. It's a crafting table, no. Oh, can't do it again. Yeah, friends. Coming out. Here, it's a ruler. So, yeah, this is my awesome house. So, hello. So, don't you want to worry about my house? No creepers kick it in or nothing. So, yeah, this is how we do it. Bye-bye. Oh, look, my friend's bending over. Clap him. Oh, no, yay. Run. Heartfire, don't tell stupid jokes. Guess what? Look. Who's there? I don't know. Ha. Stupid. Hello. Don't nod at me.
Are you nodding?
That's good. Ooh. Well, this is not a good step. But part 6. Be careful with creepers. You might blow them up and destroy your house. Oh look, my chest. Oh yeah, my friend's there, and he's got a chest in his hand. And right next to the chest is a crafting table. Oh no, I'm in my stupid house. Boom, creeper, told ya. Here's my stupid house blown up. Boom. And I got my diamond armor on. Yay. Still watching? You better. Okay? So, how do you like another step, yeah? You have to wait. Okay? Ready? It's coming. Hot dog, don't use big words.
You've got to rip off Facebook and YouTube.
my friend's dead again. Yay! This is fun. Oh no, his face is gone. No! Yes, he's back, he's back, he's back. Yeah, he's back. His face is back. After it's gone. Whew. My heart went. Oh no, I've got nothing in my inventory. Oh no, my finger's going away. No, again, no. Where did you... Whoa, that was close. Don't use too much repetition. Wait, no. Repeating. I don't know, I can't read. Oh no. Got too much wood. Wah. Plus I can make... The good thing is I could trap him. But I don't think I should. Should I? I don't know. I don't know if I should or not. Let's have a think. Nah. Use an accent. I still can't read. Accent. Ooh! Earthquake. Earthquake. Sheep. Oh yes. Only a minute left. Let's hear some music. What just sounds in real life? Sheep is dozen. Promotion. Get ready. Promotion. Get ready. Promotion. Look, as you can see, I built a house. And my friend is very boring, I know that. Boom. So, very boring. Okay, guys, this will be the end of today. See you soon. Please subscribe. James Shaw. And please subscribe to Shani Hyam. See you soon.